At Summers, we're very serious about who we send to your home. We drug test, background check and train every single technician so you can have peace of mind. Our plumbers, heating and cooling experts are licensed, insured and homegrown for your protection. The expert plumbers, heating and cooling technicians at Summers are more than just handy. They are people too who love giving back to the community they were raised in. For all of your plumbing, heating, cooling, and indoor air service needs, you can rely on our technicians at Summers Plumbing, Heating and Cooling. We have over 40 years of experience installing, maintaining, and repairing anything from furnaces and air ducts to air conditioning units. Residential and light commercial business alike, our technicians are highly trained and equipped to assist with all of your plumbing, heating and cooling needs. Our Marion customers trust us to provide them with high quality, superior service at a price that is affordable to them. Our technicians have handled thousands of projects over the years. If you are a resident of Marion, Indiana, and you have experienced troubles with your plumbing, heating, cooling, or indoor air, do not hesitate to contact Summers Plumbing, Heating and Cooling. We offer estimates and online specials so you can understand exactly what you're paying for, how much you are paying, and how we intend to make your home as comfortable as possible.